Let's try 5 of these crazy fruits. Number 1 is kapuasu. This is how I open it. And then inside, can you imagine like a slimy pineapple? Sour, a little bit sweet, and very refreshing. Number 2, chocolate sapote or chocolate pudding fruit. And I'll show you why. You ready for the chocolate? Look at that. Like a chocolate brownie, but it's like one made with low sugar content. Rollinha deliciosa. Beautiful white flesh. Like a thick applesauce. And the taste is like an applesauce as well, but with a little bit of lemon in it. Cacao. This is what chocolate is made from. A little bit sour, a little bit sweet. This is actually a passion fruit in the shape of a banana. Tropical punch. Delicious.